So like it's cake baking, but I'm by myself. I'm making cinnamon. Hold on, I'll show you what I'm making. I'm making cinnamon and sugar donut muffins. It is currently 7:33 p.m. It's dark outside. So that's what I'm gonna be making. By myself, which is kind of sad. Charlie wouldn't help me. So it's gonna reverse it. I'm making cinnamon and sugar donut muffins. Ready, y'all? Whoa, whoa, look at that. Whoa, can't wait to have that. Okay, so for the ingredients, I have them right here. I need flour. It's time to start. I need a bowl. This is my bowl of choice, and we will start. Make it so you can see everything that's happening. I have my measuring cups. 1.5 cups of flour. What is this butter? So 3 of these. This is a 1/2 cup, but my 1 cup is too big to fit into the bag. 1. 2. 3. Wow. Okay. Now we need a 1/2 cup of, let's see, sugar. These are also going to be, the recipe isn't dairy and gluten free, but I'm making it so my mom can eat it, so I'm just substituting things. Do you want to be in it?
Now I'm in it.
Okay.
Okay. And then when I eat it, I
1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And then the other half, which is this one. Boom. Okay. Now we have salt. We have the salt. It says 1/8 of a teaspoon, but that's too much. We all know that just means a pinch. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm gonna move all this stuff that does not need to be in the frame out of the frame. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Where is that? Right here. Half of a teaspoon. And then mix. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay. That is all the dry ingredients in this bowl, right? Set this aside. And we're going to do all the dry and wet ingredients in this bowl. We need 1 egg. There. Hello, Hogan. Going to take this whisk. I'm going to whisk this up. And it says a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but again, we don't measure salt in vanilla. I don't know what to do with this. Here. Again, there's too many things in this form. Okay. A splash of vanilla extract. Yeah, okay, that looks good. half a cup of milk and 1/3 cup of butter melted. Okay. Here we have some almond milk because no one in this house drinks dairy milk. So it's half a cup. Yep, okay. I don't want to get a measuring cup, so I'm just gonna do it in these. Okay, and then we're gonna whisk this together, and I'll be back when I've melted the butter. Okay, I melted the butter, and I mixed it into the wet ingredients. So now I'm gonna put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to set the oven to 350 degrees, and then put these into cupcake tins. And I'll be back when they're done, and then we can make the topping. The muffins are out of the oven. Now, while they cool, I'm going to make the cinnamon sugar mix. These are the oven muffins. Don't mind the mess. For the mix, I'm gonna need cinnamon, sugar, and more butter. Okay, so for the top, that's the butter. For the butter, you need 5 tablespoons melted. And then you need 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Here we have the butter. Okay, so I have the butter and then the sugar and cinnamon. And what you do is you take the muffins and you dip it in the butter and then you put it in the mixture. So I'm gonna do that. First I have to take the muffins out of the tin. This is the butter. I'm going to take this, going to dip it in, and then roll it. And then get this, dip it in, and then roll it. And that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be done. These are the muffins.
Mm-hmm.
These two kind of fell apart when I was putting the cinnamon sugar on it. Pick whatever one you want. And then we can do taste test.
I want
They're supposed to just taste like cinnamon donuts. That's the whole point.
this one.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I like that chip. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll probably have another baking video in a week.